Hi, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what all I shopped from Myntra, and it is going to be a huge haul as I have a lot of stuff to show you. So before moving into this video, if you are new to this channel and seeing this face for the very first time, then do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it so that मैं जब भी वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर पाए. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Thing I have is this beautiful shirt from Texco brand, and this is a formal shirt but आप इसे casually भी style कर सकते हैं. So ये ऐसे full sleeves का shirt है and it has this stripy pattern. The neck detailing is something like this. I just love the neck. I love the overall look of this top. You can style this formally as well as casually. So yes, it's a very beautiful top. And इसके ऊपर ये ऐसे stripy detailing में है. It is in this beautiful black and white color. This can be worn in many different ways, and I just love the neckline of this. Can you see the neckline is something different and it is beautiful at the same time. Collar pattern is something like this. It is different from others, and this is in this full sleeve. So the fabric quality is amazing. It is not a thin fabric. It is 100% pure cotton, but it has some stretchability. But I think ये summers के लिए थोड़ा सा thick हो जाएगा, but winters के लिए this is so perfect. And if you're going to office, you can carry your blazer over this, and it is going to give you that smart, amazing look to you. So very beautiful shirt, and this is from Texco brand. I'm in the size L for this, and I'm 5'8" in height. So yes, I think this fit me perfectly, and the quality is good. The look is nice. This you can wear with your pencil skirts, with your jeans, with your trousers. It is going to look amazing with every formal outfit. So, and this is originally priced at ₹1899, but after discount I got this for 700 rupees. So pretty good deal. Okay, so next is this beautiful top from Vero Moda brand, and the top is something like this. It is in this beautiful baby pink color. The sleeves are like this. It has beautiful sleeves, and the neckline is something like this. कि ऊपर ऐसे sheer neckline है V pattern में, and then नीचे it's a peplum top as you can see. So इसकी जो overall detailing है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So ये ऊपर sheer है and नीचे इसके अंदर ये V neckline के साथ साथ नीचे जो fabric दिया है. So अंदर there is polyester fabric. So polyester fabric की inner lining है, and ये भी बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी में है. Then the back looks something like this. Front part ऐसे है. Front मुझे जो इसका front है वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then it has these cute sleeves. ये 3/4 sleeves में आता है. And then it's a peplum top as you can see, and ये polka dot top है. तो ये पूरा ऐसे डिटेलिंग है इसके ऊपर, और इसके साथ ये 2 बेल्ट आएंगे दोनों साइड से just to hug around your waist. Just make a bow with the help of these 2 belt, and it is going to give you that cute Barbie wala look. So pretty good top, and this is from Vero Moda brand. This is originally priced at wait, let me check. Actually, I forgot the original price. Okay, so this is originally priced at ₹1999, but after discount I got this for 650 rupees. I think there was a sale on Myntra, and उस sale में मैंने ये buy किया. Actually अभी उनकी एक और sale आएगी, so in that sale you can go and buy these tops. ये सारे ही products आप wish list कर सकते हैं, and sale के time पे जब prices low हो जाए तब check out. So pretty good top at a good deal. Okay, so next I bought this beautiful palazzo. It is from Trend Eris brand, and just look at this. ये बहुत ही high waisted palazzo है. Actually ये palazzo कम skirt ज़्यादा लगता है because इसका जो flare है वो बहुत अच्छा है. As you can see ये सिर्फ 1 leg का flare है. बहुत अच्छा flare में आता है. The pattern is very beautiful. ये पूरे black color के ऊपर ये baby pink flowers की floral detailing मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. ये बहुत ही trendy and amazing लगता है. You can style your crop tops with this palazzo, and it is so perfect for your brunch date. I think this is so amazing. You will feel comfortable and trendy at the same time. So pretty good fabric. The fabric is polyester, and the look is also amazing. Then पीछे यहाँ पे elastic आता है just to hug your waist properly, and then the flare is something like this. The fit is amazing, and this is from Trend Eris brand. I'm in the size 34 for this. So amazing palazzo, and I got this for 550 rupees. So I don't remember its original price. I'll put it on the screen. So yes, for 550 rupees it's a good deal, and the fabric, the look, the pattern, everything is just perfect. Next is this beautiful maroon color top from 20 Dresses, and just look at this. This is so pretty. This dark maroon color. I don't know ये कैमरे में red क्यों लग रहा है. This is in maroon color, and it has this full sleeves. The neckline is something like this, and इसके ऊपर ये ruffle detailing है. It has this beautiful ruffle detailing. और ये इसके साथ ये 2 belts आते हैं आगे, just to tie a knot, or you can tie a bow. And the bag looks something like this. It's a normal bag, and this is going to look very beautiful with pencil skirt, or you can style this with jeans. So in casual days दोनों पे ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. This is so pretty. I love the color. I love the fabric. The fabric is very amazing. It's a soft polyester. It's a soft polyester blend fabric, so I don't know exactly कौन सा fabric है ये, but this is pretty good. So this is from this brand called 20 Dresses, an amazing top at this price point. This one I got this top in the size L. So the top is beautiful, and I paid 650 rupees for this. So pretty good top. If you think that the prices are a bit on the higher side when there is no sale, so just wishlist that product, and whenever there is a sale, go and check out the prices on the first day of sale itself, so that you can get massive discount. And you know what, ये सारी products से मुझे cashback भी मिला है. You want to know how? वो discount जो website की तरफ से था वो तो था ही, plus I got some cashback while shopping. Don't you think this is so interesting कि आप shop करें और उसी पे आपको कोई cashback भी दे? So yes, I got cashback over all these products, and वो secret I'm gonna tell you soon. Okay, let me tell you the secret. By using GoPaisa app, so what you have to do is you just have to download GoPaisa app, which is there on the Play Store. Or what you can do, आप directly www.gopaisa.com पे जा सकते हैं. So GoPaisa is an online coupon and cashback apps where you can earn extra cashback while shopping through this app. So it has 1500 plus brands available on their website, which is like Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart, Amazon, and a lot more. I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase on this app.
Open GoPaisa app on your mobile phone, then you can see the featured apps and everything like this, right? And you can see Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, different websites over there. And as you can see, there are so many deals going on every time you open the app. Now if you want to shop from Myntra, click on the Myntra icon. Then you can see a lot of deals going on Myntra. Here it says get up to 7% cash back. Then you can see a lot of offers already on GoPaisa app. Now click on get cashback. You'll be redirected to the website. Remember, you have to complete this action only through website. You can't use app here. Now if I type tops and women, you will get so many options here. Now if I select one, select your size and then add to back. You can select the payment option you prefer, and then your order will now come back to the GoPaisa app once again. Now here you can see your pending status. In this case, that's why to confirm the money, they will make sure that the product is not cancelled and the return period is over.
And सबसे important बात जो आप सबके माइंड में होगी वो होगी कि अगर आपको कैशबैक मिलता है ऐप के थ्रू, तो क्या आप वो अमाउंट बैंक में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं? तो द आंसर इज येस. यू कैन ट्रांसफर ऑल दैट कैशबैक जो आपको ऐप पे मिला है डायरेक्टली इनटू योर बैंक अकाउंट, एंड यू विल गेट एक्स्ट्रा ₹25 instant cashback if you shop from the link given in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go and download that app immediately so that you can shop a lot more from the brands and you can get the discount plus cashback. Okay, so next I bought this beautiful skirt, and this is from Forever New brand, and it is in this beautiful baby pink and white color. Just look at this, it's so pretty. आगे ये ऐसे bow detailing है, ये बेल्ट है. आगे यहाँ पे बेल्ट दिया है विच इज इन दिस bow detailing, एंड देन पीछे यहाँ पे ये इलास्टिक है, एंड इट्स अ फ्लेयर स्कर्ट, इट्स अ फ्लेयर शॉर्ट स्कर्ट, सो ब्यूटीफुल स्कर्ट. इट इज गिविंग मी दोज बीच वाले समर वाइब्स. सो एंड इसके ऊपर ये प्लांट वाला कुछ प्रिंट है. आई थिंक दीज आर कोकोनट ट्रीज. सो ये पूरे कोकोनट ट्रीज प्रिंटेड है. ये दिस इज सो परफेक्ट फॉर वेकेशन, एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर, and this is bit expensive. I got this for 1100 rupees, and इसके नीचे ये पूरी ऐसी detailing है which is pretty cool. Fabric is something like this. The pattern is nice, and so this is from Forever New brand, and I'm in the size 34 for this. So beautiful skirt and lovely fabric. So इसके अंदर एक inner lining भी है, as you can see ये white color में. So ये cotton fabric है और इसके ऊपर ये जो actual cloth उन्होंने दिया है, it is something like this. This is so lovely. You must have this skirt in your wardrobe. I can't wait to style this beautiful skirt. So yes, good deal. Okay, so next is this beautiful night suit and it is in this frosty green color. I love the overall look of this and this is in cotton fabric. Actually, I love cotton fabric. इस cotton में जितना comfortable feel होता है ना, वो किसी भी fabric में नहीं होता. It's a lovely fabric and the print is nice. The sleeves are short and sleeves are short. It has this collar detailing and it's a button down shirt. तो इसके साथ ये pajama आता है which is in the same color. It is this elasticated pajama. I got this night suit in the size large and this is so lovely. The print, the fabric, the length of this pajama is so good. आई लव क्लोरा के नाइट सूट्स बट वो एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप सेल पे लेते हैं तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. प्लस ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज दिस ब्यूटीफुल टॉप इन दिस रॉयल ब्लू कलर एंड आई लव दिस कलर. सो इट इज दिस फॉर्मल कैजुअल टॉप और ये कुछ ऐसे है इसका डिटेल एंड द स्लीव्स आर वेरी गुड. आप चाहे तो इसे फुल स्लीव्स रख सकते हैं या फिर आप इसे ऐसे रख सकते हैं. द बटन्स आर वेरी प्रिटी. द कलर इज ब्यूटीफुल. द पैटर्न इज अमेजिंग. इट इज इन दिस वी नेक पैटर्न और ये पूरा ऐसे नीचे तक ऐसे फैब्रिक है एंड इट इज इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल शिफॉन फैब्रिक. सो द फैब्रिक इज नाइस एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम Dorothy Perkins brand and I got this in the size large. I got this for 650 rupees during the sale, so pretty good deal and the fabric is amazing. The quality is nice and overall look of this top is so perfect. You can style this with your pencil skirts, with your denim shorts, with your denim jeans. It is going to look absolutely beautiful. It is going to look absolutely beautiful with every high-waisted bottom. So I think this will go well with black trousers. The beautiful top at amazing price. Next I got this top again in the same pattern. This is also from Dorothy Perkins and यहाँ पे ये V neckline में आता है. It has this button. It has this beautiful button and then sleeves पे भी there is this button and the sleeves are pretty good. ये long sleeves है but you can style this in this way. So the fabric is beautiful. It is that chiffon fabric जो आपको थोड़ा सा flowy look देता है. So the neckline is amazing. The quality of the fabric is nice and the look is good. So I got this for 800 rupees. I don't remember the original price but it was a bit on the higher side. So and I love Dorothy Perkins के top because वो बहुत amazing होते हैं look में and yes, beautiful top, beautiful fabric and amazing look. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Bye, we'll see you soon.